So this is a quick update for all the participants of Memefi. So if you actually participate in this particular airdrop, as you can see, the listing is actually on. But for you to actually claim your token, so you are going to need on-chain claim and Web3 claim to OKX. Probably if you are from Nigeria, this video is specifically for you. But if you are outside Nigeria, you can directly use claim chain to your OKX exchange. But right now, for those that come from Nigeria, you only have option of actually adding your Web3 wallet. And if you, in the process of adding your Web3 wallet, you are going to need a gas fee for you to transfer from OKX Web3 wallet to exchange, for you to convert it to maybe Naira or any currency you actually want to do. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually add gas fee to your OKX Web3 wallet. You know, like the particular coin that holds this particular Memefi is called Swiss coin. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can add Swiss coin to your OKX Web3 wallet. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I promise you it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. So for the one of this tutorial, we are going to be using Bybit because we can't be here in Nigeria. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to click on this P2P option over here. You are going to click on it to be able to buy USDT with your local currency. So it's loading up. It's going to take a while for it to load. So as you can see, these are the trades that is available. So you can actually enter any trade over here, enter the amount of USDT. Okay, let me check this one. So you can enter the amount of USDT you actually want to buy. So let's assume that I want to trade 25,000 Naira. So I'm going to be receiving 14.35 USDT inside my Bybit account. So after I've completed this particular trade, which is step 1, so I have to go back completely. Then I'm going to trade USDT to Swiss coin. So all you have to do is to search for this particular coin, which is SUI. So you are going to see the coin. As you can see, Sui/USDT. So you are going to click on it and you are going to buy Swiss coin using your USDT. So let's assume that I actually want to buy like maybe 3 worth of it. So they are going to charge me 11.00 USDT for this particular transaction. So you can use this first method to actually buy your Swiss coin. So the second method you can use, if you don't want to use this one, is to go back to the home page and you are going to go to the asset option over here. So I prefer using this method because it's very faster and it's kind of, very faster and very convenient. So you are going to click on this conversion over here. So as you can see, we have BTC on top and USDT on top. So you can switch it. Like, let's switch it to USDT. Then we are going to choose that particular coin, which is the Swiss coin. So I'm going to click on it. So the next thing is to actually type in the coin, which is the SUI coin. So as you can see, Swiss coin. So I'm going to click on it, then enter the amount of USDT that I want to actually buy. So let's assume that I want to spend like maybe 3 USDT, which is going to give me 0.8. So it depends on how much you actually want to buy. So let's assume that I'm buying 1. Okay, let's assume I'm buying 5. So as you can see, I'm going to be getting 1.33 Swiss coin. So I'm good to go. Let me click on it and get the code, then confirm this particular transaction. So I'm going to get this Swiss coin inside my Bybit account. So it's loading up. It's going to, as you can see, conversion completed. So let me show you my asset over here. I'm going to go over to my asset and show you that I have the coin already inside my balance. So I can be able to transfer it to other exchanger, which is going to be our Web3 wallet. As you can see, I have 1.33 Sui coin. So the next thing we are going to do now is to transfer it from Bybit to OKX Web3 wallet, which we are going to go back to our OKX Web3 wallet. So what we are going to do right now is to click on receiving, click on receive, and it's got the coin. So I'll be able to copy your wallet address. And if you are liking this video, ensure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is what I do basically on this YouTube channel. I teach you anything related to crypto, sending USDT or any coin from one exchange to another. So that is why you have to subscribe right now, so that it will encourage me to make more video like this. So it's going to take a while for it to load up. Then we are going to copy the wallet address. So as you can see, it has loaded up successfully. So all you have to do is to search for the particular coin, which is Swiss coin. So I'm going to search for it. So this is the coin. So I'm going to click on it to get my wallet address. So I'm going to copy my wallet address, copy, then come over to I'm going to come over to Bybit to actually send it from Bybit to this particular wallet. So what I'm going to do now is to go back completely. So I'm going to click on withdrawal over here. It's very simple and very straightforward. If you can follow up with this particular tutorial, click on withdrawal. So it's loading up. So I'm going to choose, as you can see, we have SUI coin. So I'm going to choose this one, like the SUI coin, then paste the wallet address I actually got from OKX Web3 wallet, paste it over here. So I'm going to choose the network. So as you can see, they are going to charge us 0.002 for the transaction fee. So once again, let me cross check to see this address is correct. Okay, it starts with OX and DF. So let me check if it's actually correct. Okay, so the wallet address is 100% correct. So how much are we sending? So since we are actually looking for we to actually get a gas fee into OKX Web3 wallet, so I'll be sending like maybe one SUI coin. So as you can see, I'm going to actually click on withdrawal over here. Then they are going to send OTP to, okay, like no verification, since I actually have this particular wallet address, so that whenever next time I'm sending, they are not going to request for OTP. So I'm going to click on confirm and get OTP to my email address and also Google Authenticator. So as you can see, I've copied my Google Authenticator and for the email. So I'm going to click on confirm to actually confirm this particular transaction. So the withdrawal has been submitted. So I have to wait for maybe 15 minutes or so to actually receive this particular money inside my OKX Web3 wallet. So I'm going to pause this video. After getting the withdrawal, then I will actually continue to show you that it is a very simple thing you can actually do right now to actually withdraw your money from OKX wallet to another exchange to convert it to any currency you actually want.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for some minutes, I actually received this particular money inside my wallet address. As you can see, this is the SUI coin. So if I click on it, you are going to see the transaction details and I actually receive it. So as you can see, I received 0.98 SUI coin because they actually deduct a fee from both sides. So I think this video actually help you out one way or the other. So I will actually encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I try much as possible to simplify all this sending USDT from one exchange to another, so that you'll be able to learn and actually understand this Web3 space. Thanks for actually watching my YouTube video. So consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer money out of this particular exchange to another exchange to convert it to your local currency. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then I will see you in my next video. Bye.